Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, anong meron sa inyo today, mga goddess? So, another reading tayo today for the collective, no? No zodiac tayo rito, no zodiac signs tayo here, no? So, let's see anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo right now, no? Collectives, no? Tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo right now. So, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here, no? Para sa sitwasyon na nararanasan nyo right now, collectives, no? So, yeah, tignan natin. Universe, please, Holy Spirit. So, you have this attraction, passion, no emotion, playing, no? For some of you, no? So, tignan pa natin. Ano pa yan? One more card, please, universe. For the collectives natin, right? One more card, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, please. One more card. So, what is this? So, you have this overcoming, abusive, toxic, unhealthy, no? So, these cards are, no? Connected talaga, no? So, for some of you, collective, no? You are in this relationship, no? Or a situation, no? Maybe. But I think this is a relationship na for some of you. Nandito kayo sa isang relasyon na nasa isang relasyon. But then, meron ng overcoming dito, no? So, maybe for some of you is tapos na tong relasyon na to, no? But then, for some of you na still in this situation, no? In this kind of relationship na abusive, toxic, unhealthy, no? Right? No? For some of you, na there is no emotion, no? Only, attraction lang, no emotion. Kumbaga, attracted lang sa inyo. But then, hindi naman kayo mahal, no? Something like that, no? For some of you na nakakaranas nito right now sa inyong relationship na full of attraction, full of passion. What is passion? Passion, you can relate that in lust, di ba? L-U-S-T, no? Lust. So, there is no emotion, there is no love with that relationship you are in, no? Full of lust lang, no? Full of, di ba? Ayun lang yung nagpapatakbo sa inyong relasyon, no? So, I think, alam mo naman to, nararamdaman mo na ito, collective, no? For some of you, hindi ka mahal ng iyong person and then, he or she is playing pa sa'yo, no? So, kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe, ni God, no? Message niya for you, kung sino man ang nasa ganito pang relasyon, no? Something like that, no? Na walang pagmamahal, full of lust lang, no? So, and then, more on mind games lang, no? Playing around, no? Hindi seryoso. So, ikaw na nasa ganitong relasyon, collective, so anong tingin mo? Is this a healthy relationship for you? Why stay to this kind of relationship na hindi naman nagbe-benefit sa'yo, right? 'Di ba? Ikaw at ikaw lang din ang mahihirapan sa ganitong relasyon. Kung ikaw, mahal mo yung person mo, but then your person, hindi ka naman mahal, iba lang ang habol sa'yo, iba lang ang gusto sa'yo, right? No? Pupuntahan ka lang kapag gusto lang niyang may mangyayari, something like that, no? 'Di ba? Attracted siya, yes, attracted siya sa'yo. But, hindi ka niya mahal, no emotions at all. Maybe this person is hindi marunong magmahal. Ikaw lang ang nakakaalam nito, collective, no? So, kung sino man ang nasa ganitong sitwasyon, no? So, ang sinasabi sa'yo rito is, mag-isip ka lang mabuti, no? Whoever you are, no? Na nasa ganitong sitwasyon. Mag-isip-isip ka na dahil, kung patatagalin mo pa, mangyayari na itong abusive relationship, toxic relationship, unhealthy, no? For some of you, no? What is this, no? Abusive, toxic, unhealthy. So, Maybe, kung hindi ka pa nakakaalis sa ganito, napaka-toxic na ng relasyon na to, abusive, physically, mentally, emotionally, no? Ina-abuse ka na ng tao, no? So, kailangan mo nang alisan yung ganitong relasyon dahil hindi na siya healthy para sa'yo. You deserve more than that, di ba? Kung ikaw nagbibigay ka ng pagmamahal, di ba? Dapat ganun din yung binibigay niya sa'yo. Hindi puro problema lang. Hindi yung sasaktan ka pa, di ba? At hindi yung paglalaruan ka. You don't deserve that kind of treatment, right? No? Kasi hindi naman ganun yung binibigay mo sa kanya, di ba? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito ni Universe, mag-isip ka lang, I know na matalino ka, collective, di ba? Alam mo tong sitwasyon na to, but then you are still staying in this kind of situation, in this kind of relationship, right? So, it's time for you to move on, get out of that situation na habang kung hindi pa man nangyayari yung worst, di ba? Hintayin mo pa bang mangyari yung pinaka-worst, di ba? For example, mangyari sa iyo yung depression, anxiety, most of people na pupunta sa ganung state is hindi kinakaya. Yeah, most people na nagkakaroon ng depression, anxiety, hindi nila yan kinakaya. Mental issues, mental breakdowns, right? No? Hahayaan mo bang mapunta ka pa sa ganung state ng buhay mo na wherein wala nang mangyayari, no? Parang sobrang lala na, no? Wag naman, right, no? So, ito kumbaga, binibigyan ka na awareness na ito for you to get out on that situation, on that kind of relationship na hindi naman matatawag na relasyon, right? That is not a relationship. It's just a situationship wherein one-sided, di ba? One-sided because ikaw lang yung nagmamahal. Siya, hindi siya nagmamahal. Naglalaro, something like that, no? So, hindi mo deserve ang ganong tao, right? No? So, ito yung sinasabi sa iyo ni Universe, no? Na alisan mo na ang ganyang sitwasyon mo habang maaga pa na for some of you, no? And for some of you naman na you are overcoming na that relationship, good for you, no? So, continue healing lang, no, mga collective, no? Continue healing yourself. Uh, love yourself more, no? Alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Know your worth, diba? Know your self-worth, no? Mas pahalagahan mo yung sarili mo dahil nakita mo na kung paano ka tratuhin ng tao na yon, no? So ngayon, ang dapat mong gawin para makarecover ka is mahalin mo yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Pahalagahan mo yung sarili mo. Once na naramdaman mo na sa sarili mong mahal mo, once na naramdaman mo nang mas mahalaga ang sarili mo, then you are ready. Hindi naman we are just a human being, right? Magmamahal at magmamahal pa rin tayo. You will take a risk pa din, 'di ba, in a relationship. But then, it's okay na mag-take risk ka pa rin sa ibang relasyon, 'di ba? But then, alam mo na yung worth mo. Hindi ka na masasaktan ng ganito dahil mas papahalagaan mo na yung sarili mo, right? No? Para hindi ka na rin ma-abuse, no? So, yeah. That's it, no? So, ito yung message sa'yo ni Universe Collective, no? Whoever you are na dumadaan sa ganitong sitwasyon, right? No? So, yeah, that's it, no? I hope na may naintindihan kayo sa sinabi ko, no? So, ang pinaka-message lang dito, advice for you, no? To get out of that situation. It's not a relationship, it's just a situation na toxic situation na wag mo nang hintayin na maging worst pa, 'di ba? If there is a physically, mentally, emotionally abuse, hindi na yun healthy, no? So get out of that situation na, no? Habang maaga pa, habang hindi pa huli ang lahat, habang kaya mo pa, itayo yung sarili mo, no? So, yeah, that's it, collective, no? So, yeah, thank you for watching, collective, no? I hope na naka-resonate kayo with this topic or message for you, no? So, That's it, collective, no? So, again, thank you for watching and please like and subscribe sa ating channel. And yeah, that's it. God bless you all and think 100 times or think wisely, no? Before entering a relationship, no? Para hindi kayo mapunta sa ganitong tao, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, yeah. Thank you, collectives.